The Californian electrical motor scooter industry Poultry is launch a airman facility on London's Tsarina Elizabeth Olympic Garden. It is illicit to trip given scooters on social roads or pavements in the UK, but Poultry hopes to get the law modified during 12 months. The business, that operates in about 40 cities, believes how its airman schema, on individual Earth, will show the utility of the hop-on, hop-off shape of transportation and its ecological benefits. The scooters are unlocked in an application, and will just be accessible among 7 o'clock and 21 o'clock. They will later be gathered and loaded night, and Poultry says how will indicate how the problems in identity theft, hooliganism and deceased night drunks, that include broken several bicycle sharing schemes, will be avoiding. I had a go and following a shaky begin found the motor scooter and facilitating trip rather than anticipated, although round a angle introduced a problem. And time I was lucky, quite tootling on a way through the garden. I'm not so certainly I'd delight dividing one of London's lively highways in freight transport, cars and bikes, nor I suspicion would they be too tolerant of a team of scooters. But Poultry's UK and Nordics head Richard Corbett says how in Paris and Amsterdam, wherever it is already operational, the scooters include rapidly found a location in the city transportation mix and shown they can be secure. By manufacturing a big sound on the Little Airman schema, the Californian business hopes to construct Pulse to receive the law modified, so how it can begin a business transactions on London's gateway. Mr. Corbett seems specific how the regulators and lawmakers will go quick. It's a travel how we include to begin and presents the at first move, but I'm sure how during the following 12 months we should include regulation change. How seems really upbeat. Possessing entangle in Uber and its go quick and break down things philosophical, London's regulators are potential to be careful on the newest Eager Us technology company. Later down there is the issue of the industry pattern. Users will pay £1 to open a motor scooter and later 20p per minimum. How will be sensibly inexpensive for the brief distances in the Olympic Garden, although more than expensive rather than the complimentary canoe bus take human beings to Stratford Plant. If it does get adoption to work in London, users may beam at profitable £5 for a 20-min trip. Yet, Poultry can provide to miss cash for rather a time. The summer it grown $300 meter, £230 meter, at a informed assessment of $2 bn. Perhaps it is the next of brief hop transportation, or maybe the Silica Vale enterprise capitalists include loose concern in the fact of how common mortals go through cities.